This video is going to show you how you can export terms from Quizlet and import them into Peardeck's Flashcard Factory Vocabulary. So first you're going to open up the set of terms that you want to export from Quizlet, and then scroll down just a little bit. You're going to select the three dots, and then you're going to select Export. And all you're going to do is copy the text here, just like that. Once you do that, we're going to jump over to Peardeck, and I'm going to show you how to import them. So we go to peardeck.com, select Teacher Login on the top right-hand corner, sign in or log in with your Google account, and then once you're here, you're going to select Peardeck Vocabulary, Create a Vocab List. Click that button. Once this opens up, you can title it, and then select Import. In the space right under Import a List, put your cursor and then paste your terms. Then once you do that, you'll select Import List button, and all your terms and the definition populate completely, just like that. Once they're all in there and ready to go, then you're going to select Play Flashcard Factory when you're ready to play this with your students in your class.